also being taught about the reproduction cycle in our schools, when they can teach that cycle to both girls and boys in the same class, then why not they can give this education regarding the menstruation cycle in the same class.
मेल के लाइफ में एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर इज सम और द अदर फीमेल जो होती है, सो दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड.
You give a judgmental look to a person who is just buying pads, and I don't know why, but they do give a judgmental look कि अरे pads ले रही है ऐसे करके.
All I want is the people should accept it the same way, that it's just periods, it's not a big thing.
So the first time when I bleeded was when I was in 7th standard, I suppose, and it was my mom who was the first person I went to, and she was the one who told me, what to do and what not to do.
बिकॉज मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल में आया था पीरियड, सो आई रिमेम्बर मैं उठी थी एंड मेरे फ्रॉक पे देयर वाज अ स्टेन. So it was an embarrassing moment, and because school guys है, so they do not know much about periods, and obviously school guys के लिए it's a different topic. So मैं जब उठी थी तभी मुझे चिढ़ाया गया था कि सॉस का बॉटल उल्टा हो गया है.
तब मुझे से लगता कि मैं किसी को कैसे बताऊँ, कि किसी लड़की को कैसे बताऊँ कि आई हैव पीरियड्स, एंड वो कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा. स्टार्टिंग में एक दो लड़कों के साथ तो ऐसे हुआ, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस. दे ऑल वेंट लाइक,
Okay, you're in periods, then you should be home, just take rest, no, why are you coming? So ulta, even if I want to go somewhere, I want to go for the outing just because I tell them that I'm having a little bit of period cramps, so we can go like take the plans little very low key kind of thing because of the pain and everything. So like अरे मत ही आना तू, मतलब periods है तो घर पे ही बैठो.
If the whole family is going for an outing, and if or if there is any auspicious or religious ceremonies taking place at your place, at your own house, the whole family is there, but it's just you who are not able to attend it because you are bleeding.
आज तक मुझे कोई भी चीज़ का स्पेसिफिक रीज़न नहीं मिला है कि इफ़ आई एम menstruating, why shouldn't I be going to some temples?
I had traveled all the way from Bombay till Tirupati, and we had just reached, and उसके जिस दिन मुझे जाके टेम्पल में दर्शन करना था, and I got to know morning I got periods. My family had made sure that I am not going anywhere near to that temple or not even touching anything that is religious.
यूजुअली कभी छुपाती नहीं हूँ, बट अगर मेरे रिलेटिव्स या कोई ऐसे है जिनका माइंडसेट थोड़े ऑर्थोडॉक्स है, सो देन या आई प्रेफर नॉट टू टेल देम एंड आई फॉलो माय ओन वेज.
So एक बहुत फनी इंसिडेंट हुआ था that I had just gone to get my sanitary pads, एंड वहाँ पे एक अंकल खड़े थे, तो वो उनको मैंने जस्ट बोला कि मुझे एक पैकेट सैनिटरी पैड चाहिए. ही वेंट लाइक फुल, अच्छा एक सेकेंड रुको. ही वेंट इनसाइड, ही कॉल्ड वन गर्ल आउटसाइड, उनको बोला कि शी नीड्स हेल्प, उसको थोड़ा हेल्प करो.
That's little injustice, and that's where the awkwardness comes when chemist wala only does that to you, knowing it is very scientific thing.
एंड वॉट आई ऑब्जर्व वॉज कि मेरे को स्पेशली ब्लैक पॉलिथिन में रैप करके दिया जा रहा है, न्यूज़पेपर में रैप करके दिया जा रहा है, इतना प्रिकॉशंस के साथ, सो दैट आउटसाइड सोसाइटी को मालूम ना पड़े दैट आई एम कैरिंग अ सैनिटरी पैड.
I was being hospitalized and I started bleeding at that time. So I asked my mom that please ask Bhaiya to get the sanitary pads. So she was like, how can you so bluntly and so boldly speak about it to your brother?
Your parents actually tell you to not speak about it, and you pass it on, then you pass it on, then you pass it on. Even in peers also, usually my girlfriends also do not speak about being in periods very openly to anyone, not even girls. Guys का तो बात ही अलग है.
स्कूल टाइम से आई थिंक दिस सिस्टम शुड बी चेंज, कि जहाँ पर ऐसे नहीं है कि लड़कियों को अलग लेके जाए, लड़के को अलग लेके जाए. आई थिंक both should be made together, both should be made sitting together and explaining them कि basically क्या होता है.
सबको इतना ही पता है ब्लीड होता है. It's not just bleeding, there's a lot of things that's going around at that 4 to 6 days. So even boys should know what exactly, if they can't experience, that's a different issue, but at least they can understand. So I think उस age से अगर you make that guys understand कि ये normal है and this is how it is, I think by the time they reach to their 16-17, they'll all be fine. They will all be okay with it. Everybody will accept it as the same way.
my father is like 50, in his 50s now. He still doesn't know how period cycle works because he was not educated that time also. Even after my mom, he came to know कि हाँ bleeding होता है, 7 days होता है बस. But क्या होता है उसमें, women का behavior कैसे होता है, what all things she goes through, क्या क्या करना चाहिए आपको उनके लिए, ये सब I don't think so any male would know unless and until we speak about it.
And there is no harm talking to your partner or to your mother or to your even to your father, saying ki, Dad, I can't help you today, I have my periods, can just like give me 2 days, I'll get back to you. If you can do this with your father, I'm sure you can do this to any other guy.
पैड्स यूज कैसे करने हैं, पैड्स का रेट कम करना चाहिए, ये सब अभी बात करो यार, खुल के बात करो. क्या है, ठीक है ना, इसके बारे में बात होना ही चाहिए अभी.
People should not take it as a taboo. They should respect it, and they should support. Even the males, the boys should support every girl.
एंड वो तभी ही आएगा जब तुम बेस प्रॉपर क्रिएट करो, जो प्रॉपर सेक्स एजुकेशन दिया जाए, वो प्रॉपर डिटेल्ड एजुकेशन दिया जाए, दैट इज व्हेन इट्स गोइंग टू कम.
So I think the change doesn't need to be from your society. The first change needs to be from your home. You need to start educating the people at home only.